Most people think income makes you rich. It doesn't. Income is money you earn. An asset is something that earns for you. That's the difference. Let me explain simply. If you work a job, you trade time for money. If you freelance, you trade skill for money. If you run a service, you trade effort for money. That's income. And income stops when you stop. Now here's the shift. An asset is something you build once and it keeps producing. A YouTube video, a digital product, a system that brings clients automatically, an investment, an audience. An asset works even when you don't. Income depends on activity. Assets depend on structure. Income requires constant motion. Assets require intelligent setup. This is why many people stay stuck. They increase income but never build assets. So every month they start from zero. Again and again and again. But when you build assets, you stop resetting. You start compounding. Let me draw it clearly. Income is a line. You work, you earn, you stop, it drops. Asset is a curve. Slow at first, invisible at the beginning, but over time, it rises on its own. This doesn't mean income is bad. Income is survival. Assets are leverage. First, learn a skill, then build a system, then turn that system into an asset. That's the progression. Income gives stability. Assets give freedom. If you only focus on earning, you stay active forever. If you focus on building, you eventually create independence. That's the critical difference. And most people never see it